Sagicor Sigma 5K walk is in New Kingston. We are soon we fall team travelers, soon we fall in February.
I'm slowly fading in this haze.
Pick up Burger King.
Don't wake me up.
Let's go walk. All right. Whoa, whoa. Take it. Oh, you mean? GoPro. All right. Team travelers, they're in the sky. Big up. She boss team traveler. She boss team traveler. She boss. You boss already. Get up and come. Get up and come. All right. Viewers and subscribers, Sagicor Sigma 5K walk is in New Kingston. Today is the day when Jamaicans is gonna walk run 5K. Ever best service will be walking. So team travelers, Sagicor Sigma 5K walk 2026 is in February, the month when the records them are break. And this gentleman here have a cooling system here. First time, we are soon we fall team travelers, soon we fall in February. so how you come up? How you get to come about to? Is your creativity?
It is my creation.
Yes.
And we actually saw a problem with heating.
Yeah.
And we decided that we would find a solution using solar power.
Oh,
so
yeah.
This is a solar powered system.
Solar powered.
Solar powered.
And it'll give the vibe of snow. I mean want to look so. It's a team traveler see me there.
So you can get that.
Me not forget. Me not forget. It time cold.
Right.
Alright.
So it's cool on the athlete.
Yeah.
But it doesn't rum scent in it.
Jojo?
Yeah man, and you like the people feel.
This is solar powered by this machine here. Very interesting.
And its own water.
Yeah. Very interesting. Yeah. Very cool too.
It does what it should.
Alright.
And it doesn't wet, which is the key part of it. That's so wet up.
Yeah. So where are some of the places that you supply with this kind of system?
Well, this is a system that is rented for all events.
Oh.
This is the smallest rental unit that we have.
Ciao.
Which is equivalent to a 10 by 10 tent.
Okay.
Same sort of.
Oh, you put it in a tent and persons go inside and fully cool down.
Right, and we have done 60 by 60 tents.
All right. So tell somebody. You want to give a number where somebody can reach out to you if they want a system like this?
Alright, my number, I'm Kevin.
Yes.
And my number is, of course, 876
Yeah.
281 8289.
Yes.
And the product is called Solmist.
Okay.
SOLMIST.
All right.
So I have an Instagram so you can see some of the stuff that we've done.
Yeah.
And LUMICEC_INTL.
And the walk is, the 5K is gonna be gone, so I have to run.
Yes.
Everyone, let's shout. Take off. All right. So team travelers, team travelers, team travelers. We're outside. Oh, we're in the coolant system. You feeling cool? All right. You got Burger King. Team travelers were now on the grounds of Emancipation Park.
I like to keep you close to me. My safety comes
tired? Are you gonna start? This is it, Team Travelers. Jamaicans come out in their numbers to celebrate with Sagicor. Mama says she not running, she walk the whole journey. How long have you been doing that?
A year.
Morning, boss, morning. How long have you been doing that?
A year.
Sure. Yeah? And you do it how often you do it every week? To be so fit?
I should. I should, but I don't.
You don't?
You need to start with her. You know what? Stay at the pole, what you want to do? To the open side of the street. And stay set
Long time.
Actually, sit down now.
No, we're going to go in an open space. We're going to the open walk.
Chano?
Let's go.
Let's go walk. All right. Whoa. Take it. Oh, you mean? GoPro. All right. Team Travelers, they're in the sky. Big up. Walking like a pro.
You want to stay with him?
Channel. We take it on this 5K. Yes, we will be taking on this 5K. And as we go along, Team Travelers, I'm going to encourage you to take a good look on the beauty of my country, Jamaica. Whoa, we're exposing. We explore it. Yeah, as we go. Yes. So you're going to be having a lot of persons running. You're having a lot of persons walking. Everbest Travelers will be walking today. And we'll be saying hi as we go along. She boss Team Traveler. She boss Team Traveler. She boss. You boss already. Get up and come. Get up and come. All right. Check that out. Yeah man, we're having fun as we go.
Turn on this camera.
Yeah.
We got my brother and father. I'm never the artist. Rabbit, Kevu. Yeah.
You're outside the 5K walk. Sagicor 2026.
5K walk 2026.
In style. Oh yeah, big up to them. Big up them. Sagicor, yeah.
Father Rob.
We got to my nice brother. Bronx, New York. Yeah.
Father Rob. The barber.
Oh, you mean? So what say you?
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
This a time of year?
Merry Christmas.
When it comes.
This a time of year?
Yes.
I February winner.
Yes.
Jesus.
Happy Valentine's.
All right. We're running along. I've been running some of the journey. Whoa. Team Travelers. We're gonna take on this 5K here. You know, look like you'll finish one. You're going to be doing it as slowly as this and make sure you're complete. Alright, check out the Everbest Travelers. Thank you so much. You want to go? Is this a no? Alright, Team Travelers, as we go along. Yeah. I'll be walking some of it. I'll be running some according to the vibe and the energy. Yeah. This is how it is look from that end. Yeah. And as we go along, Team Travelers, we'll be having music. I will be having persons running apart, running. How you smell something? How long since you have the smile?
That was fun.
You want to say hi to anyone?
Hi, Vlog.
Big up. Team Travelers. Alright, we're outside. Oh, what a little piece of the bang here. Team Travelers. Oh, you mean? Ask the band to check out the channel, right? Thank you so much. You want to big up anyone?
I want to pick up Arden High School and the Sigma Run for coordinating this.
Jana, big and bold. What say you? Keep the vibes going.
Hi, my name is Jada and this is Arden Steel Orchestra.
Jana, Arden? Yes. Everyone? Yes. Young team. Big up on yourselves, man. Let me take Afro. Travelers, outside. Again. Arden, the future knocking. Where you run go? Keep the vibes going. Yeah. What's a big junction? Yeah. Big up Arden. The vibe is right. Team Travelers. This is Jamaica. At its best. General, you believe that this is Jamaica at its best? I know Jamaica at its best. All right, we're gonna look for the best. How you want me? Team Travelers. $5K? Whoa, can I make it? If she continues the same way, she go bust quick. Team Travelers, look at those long steps there. Whoa, don't knock me down. Let me take this man I walk like him I walk normal pan. No man. So this man I walk so easy. And because of Sunday morning? You walk easy like Sunday morning. Jano, you make it seem so easy. Jano, you think we can try that? You know what? Jano. You want to go? You know what? Me sure enough I could make first one. Wow. What this road is called, my brother? What this road is called? Trafalgar Road. Yo. Can she do 1 mile with those long steps? You think she can do 1 mile with those long steps?
Maybe.
Check out my channel, please. All right, time to go.
It's a case where we need to walk over.
Big up your blue. So did you just walk past me, so? Just overtake me, just so. Oh, you do that? Shana, Sagicor. I bring out the best in them. No man, but if female them continue to walk like, hold on, let me go check out if them walk like Sunday morning. Yeah, easy. No sir. Team Travelers.
Because he said the tent is at the truck is in front of going on a hotel entrance. So legally problem.
Wow. Look at this lady here, Team Travelers. 10 years now she had to do this walk. True or false? She not here and she have a make me go from this side. Walk easy. Might be that take me 10 years to do that. See this? She said 2 years. Alright. Team Travelers. Wow. Jamaicans are talented, are we? No joke. Make a good looking Travelers. It is now Let me check a time. I'll give you a time check as to. Sorry, team travelers, I didn't give you a time when I start this work. But it's now 2 minutes to 8. Team travelers, and I'm sweating already. All right, let's go. Let's go, team travelers. So,
now walking first.
we're crossing over. Oh.
We can stop and walk and we start earlier. You understand?
Tell the people, let me shoot. If you walk straight and if you walk fast.
That's all we need. Walk, man.
I'm sure you want fit, sure you want tap. I'm tired. I'm going to tell you. I boss your boss. Yeah, excuse you, make. I boss your boss. You too. Reach out. Share with your family and friends and show them how your boss along halfway the journey. You don't have to journey yet, you know? A 5K?
Me alright, but then me with
Okay. Travelers, we're now passing. That's definitely now still right hand side there. My mind tells me say the swimming earlier. How serious that ice cream she'd go eat, but I don't say I got 5K. Alright. Walkathon. You think ice cream I go eat? How much? You think you do 1 mile yet? You don't do 1 mile yet? You don't do 1 mile yet? Alright. Check out my page, please. Alright. You want to big up anyone?
Big up the whole Cal's family.
Jano?
Big up Priscilla.
Yeah.
Beat again, straight, right through.
Oh, you mean? Oh, you mean she outside? Team travelers, look on them marcher. She do 1K already. How many she have 2 yet? Exercise mood is out. Oh, watch her now. She have a hand. Wow. Hi. Where you running for? Okay. Jana. All right. I boss, your boss, I excuse you, man. You're not boss. All right. Please check out my channel. Please check out my channel and share with the family and friends. All right. Have a blessed travels. Take on the street. Congratulations, Jamaica.
You start that?
Yes.
I want to pick up my daughter and my bestie behind me.
Yeah.
My daughter is home.
Bessie have a hand on her head a while ago. It's a sign that she bust, huh?
Yeah.
Water break?
We both long time.
Thank you. Oh, water break. Team travelers will get water.
I just see people walking there.
Water break. Who wants juice?
You want juice? You usually get juice. We need some energy.
Alright. Water break, team travelers.
That is true. That's my view. That's true.
Team travelers, look at water break. See how much water drink? Only one me drink, travel. Only one. May I show you how we see people in water. Look there, you know. Look. May I show you how we see people in water. Water break, team travelers. Just going through a water break there. Wow. Sagicor 5K walk 2026 Sunday morning. Everyone is cruising. Yeah, man. Whole tired people we have right now on the team travelers. Whole tired people. Yeah. And I'm not half a journey yet. And I'm here so 5K. Are you met? Are you met? Drop wood fan. Check out the channel. You want to big up anyone? Okay. Team travelers, we're outside. I want to take a look at some tired faces. Anyone look tired, team travelers? If them look tired, tell me. We're outside. You say happy, actually you're not walking, you know. If you're not walking, you'll be so loud. You think so? Eh?
Need some time, man. I reach probably the last 2 kilometers to make you one.
Whoa. 2K. Let me celebrate this one. We know business are who? Team travelers. Whoa, whoa.
Yeah. Come over there. Oh, come over now, no.
No, I don't want no.
Alright, hey. Huh? No, I don't want to take none. I just sign me. Yeah. Alright.
2K. Team travelers, I've done 2. This princess here celebrates 2K. Princess, you want to see what you celebrate 2K? Check out how you celebrate 2K, okay? You too. Alright, good. Oh, you mean you can see yourself again? Yeah, man. Team travelers. Yeah. Okay. Team Travelers. I've done 2K. But Team Travelers, can you just imagine? I've just finished a 2K walk in the broiling sun while I am sweating. Yeah. Team Travelers, we're outside. Please remember to give this video a like, share with your family and your friends. Tell everyone that Ever Blessed Travels is doing a 5K. Stay tuned, my people. I'm sure I'm going to be showing you the 5K. This man look like him, I will show me, I'm going to reach the 5, you know? For the long step there. Alright. You sure you think I'll reach the 5K? Wow. Big up daddy, you just done 2. 3 left, here? Congratulations, you just finished 2. Right. The Team Travelers, she's subscribing to Ever Blessed Travels. Did I give you a card earlier on? Yeah. Thank you so much. Whoa! Whoa! Fantastic routine travel. Yeah, man. Rapid on Lane Plaza. Big up Ibex. Your boss? Your boss? Alright, alright. Take your time. Then big up Ibex someone. Everything, yeah? Alright. Yo, man. Alright. You tore your part together? So she will share the link with you, okay? Alright, thank you. Alright. Team Travelers. it to 3.
Yeah.
Celebrate 3K, celebrate. It's cool down moment. Cool down. Let's cool down. Alright. 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 Cool down. Cool down system.
105.
Sinua. 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 Congratulations on 3K. Alright. Wait, oh yeah, smile, so because you made it to 3K? Oh, yo, man. John, bossy West. Whoa, what on there? What going on, so? Team travelers. Hey. Hey, you have snow on your head. Snow on your head. It's still there. check out how you brush snow out of your hair. You just got to New York City. Alright. Whoa, look at me. Team travelers, we're having a lot of fun out here. No joke. So now I'm going to phone foot. So I'm still on the phone foot. I'm still on the phone foot.
You come up, man.
Alright, there you go. Thank you. Alright, team travelers. Mr. Snow on your foot. Mr. Snow on your foot?
Huh?
Yeah, Mr. Snow on your foot?
Yeah.
Alright. Check out my channel. Alright, cool, thank you. Team travelers are working. Team travelers, we just finished a 3K. We have 2 to go.
2.5.
2.5?
Right.
No sign of 5.5 then, sir.
5.5, but them just put in the half.
You wicked three people.
You turn back then.
I know, right?
5K then, sir. Alright, check out the channel. I'll be looking for you at the end of the 5K, right?
Alright.
Alright. So you want to pick up anyone?
No, no.
Okay, alright. Alright, so no. You have 2 left, you know. The man up is 2.5. Me not believe. We feel like a trick, man, trick me. Team travelers were close to half a tree. Yeah. Dig up. through this a cheat and cheat.
Still now.
All of them come through this a cheat. No shortcut. No shortcut. No shortcut. We're doing the full walk. Jano, it's a long walk, team travelers. Where is that 4K? Can the 4K come and meet me right now? Wow, been a long walk, team travelers. No joke. Mama boss, no? 4K? Are you boss? Or a 3? We just send the 3K. So we're looking forward to see the 4. And right now, I am hoping that that 4K come and meet me somewhere. So my viewers and my subscribers, we are here. We are here doing this 5K walk. Sagicor Sigma 5K walk. And it's no joke. Yeah, man, but we're doing it. Yeah, man. Water break. But the water I give don't cool none at all, team travelers. I want cool water. Cool on water.
No, take his spray.
The water break, yeah. Water break, team travelers.
For the West, we on the road with the best. It's a Fire 105 crew. You're rocking on the road with fire. Fire. To the 105, 105.7, 105.9.
Whoa. You're good, man, you're good. It's in the all in the game. What do you mean if she bus? You think I know she bus? She bus. Yeah, man, so she bite for a piece of cake, no? Alright.
But they are 4K now. Early.
Give me a support now, man. Yeah, man. And look how you smile, right? Alright, good. Yeah. For team travelers. $4K is in my high sight. For team travelers, $4K didn't come meet me. I have to go meet it. But anyway, I'm going.
Yes, I reach 4, you have to reach 5.
Oh, yo, man, talk out loud.
Yeah.
No joke.
No joke. Read when you reach 4, you have to
reach 5.
The team travelers. We already know what they. 4K. Sorry.
You get it?
Wow. 4K on the team travelers. 4. See big. Oh, sorry.
We reach 4, we are reach 5 now.
Oh, yo, man. 1 to go.
Say it loud. We are black and we are proud.
Jenna, it's been a long one. So 1 to go. And it's not far away. You made it to 5, Mama. You start from the finish? From the beginning? Congratulations on 4K. All right? All right. You want to pick up anyone? You want to pick up anyone?
Well, big up to Sagicor for this.
Yeah.
For the West.
Yeah. Get a chance to sweat. Oh, young man. All right, team traveler, go outside.
The irony.
I wish you had that.
What time is it reaching a tip? That's the limit.
A lot of people are expecting that they are to the finishing line. So the running be continuous. Finishing line. Okay. Yeah, man. This is Congratulations, Mama. Congratulations on your 5K walk, huh? All right, good. Please check out. Please check out. Please check out. All right. Team travelers, I have made it. 5K. No joke, no joke, no joke, no joke, no joke. Congratulations, ma'am. Alright. Wow. Awesome, 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 awesome. Awesome work, Team Travelers, awesome. Thank you so much, Team Travelers. My viewers, my subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. Yeah, man. Did it again. Yeah, man. Congratulations, Mama. Congratulations to you. Alright, good. Yeah. And I'm back with the schooling system here that I showed you earlier on Team Travelers. I'm gonna be cooling down, I say. You're cool, Mama. Congratulations on your walk, eh? Congratulations. 5K. Yeah. We're gonna be cooling down ourselves right here. It's a cooling down system.
It needs some cool down.
Yeah, man. After 5K? We have to move along, we have to move along. Full cool down, full cool down.
Tell me something. Tell me something.
I'm back.
No, hold on.
I did a 5K, bro.
No, hold on. Tell me something. You did do the video in the garage when the chain did get the rail.
Yes, sir.
And I go through the tunnel.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, watch you know.
Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you.
Watch you, man.
So I did my 5K, sir.
Alright.
You did my 5K. Yes, sir. So I'm just coming back to cool down on your system here.
Use it, man.
I'm gonna cool down again. Yeah. So Team Travelers, I wanna cool my system down again. Whoa. Cool down. Congratulations on your 5K, man. Alright, let me show you some of your journeys. Things that you didn't see, I'll show them to you, okay? Alright. You feel cool, mama? Did you walk? Congratulations on your 5K walk.
Yes, man.
Yes,
Walk
man.
and run.
You walk and run?
With that.
With her?
Yep.
You see how she easy? Congratulations on your 5K walk. You can check out the channel. What you didn't see, I'll show. Alright, good. So Team Travelers, there you go. There you go. Cooling down. Cooling down system. Works. So there you have it, Team Travelers. This Sagicor 5K walk has come to an end. Ever Blessed Travelers saying so long. Thank you so much, Team Travelers. Thank you so much for joining with Ever Blessed Travelers throughout. Just hoping that you love what I showcased to you this Sunday morning. Sagicor 2026. See you in the next one.